Welcome to Tyler's Garage.
How you guys doing? I have a 2004 as a GMC Denali. I ran into the issue where the blower, it'll just stay on. So your HVAC blower, right, to your heating and air conditioning. I'm gonna take the gentleman online that showed me on a different GMC. He kind of showed me where to narrow down, but like I said, this is 2004 GMC Yukon Denali 1500. And I believe I've narrowed down the issue. It's this module here that is causing the issue. I looked through some forums. I didn't even know this existed. I pulled this shield down. There's a bolt here and also a bolt here, 7 millimeters. That'll take that out. And if you look here, watch what happens. Right? Yep. See, blower is on. Ignition. Keys are out. So I'm thinking this is probably the issue. Right? You pull this off, no problem. So I was also told that it could be this module, or the control system. I'm hoping it's not that. I'm assuming that's a lot more money. This piece, I just called the local dealer. It's 120 bucks. So I'm gonna take this off and bring it to the dealer. Make sure when I go there, it's the same part that I called and asked about. And I will update you guys after. The bolts on here are 7/32. Should check the fuse after I play with this stuff. So I'm hoping this is the piece that got shorted out. I will update you guys later. That clip is a pain in the butt to get to. All right, you guys, to get that back clip out, there's this piece right here. I used a flathead here. I went in there and I just pushed that little tab down. It's like near impossible to see, but it will come out. All right, guys, I got the new one, new part. A little disappointed. I gotta make some modifications to the cables, I guess. I'm not really sure, but they gave me some instruction manuals to do that. Obviously, it definitely is different, so I'll give you an update. At the dealer now. Paid the nice $137.66 for a Korean part made in Korea. Looks totally different than this. I got here and they said it was going to be a Chevy part. Obviously it's not, so I hope it does the trick. Alright guys, I'm following the instructions for the Denali. Add this little spacer pad. I should have showed you guys, but that goes right there, and then the other one just bolts in there. I'm using the bolts that they gave me. Looks like I have to hardwire these cables. So this goes into the blower motor there. That goes there, and then this I'm going to turn the vehicle off. Probably unplug the battery at home and plug it in. See what happens. All right, guys. For testing, I'm going to just pull these little ends off and push the wire in there. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but instead of me clipping it, I think I'd rather try that first. I did pull out the fuse for the blower. That's a 40 amp fuse up in the fuse box in the front. I'll actually point that out now. Sorry, it's this fuse. Pulled it from there. Fuse is still good. Alright, so I just pushed those wires in there temporarily just to see if that'll work. I don't think this is probably the best long-term solution. They don't even tell you to do this. They actually tell you to cut it off. Cut 3 cables near LPM long enough to eventually splice new cables. Alright guys, so I'm crimping these together with the butts. That's what they recommended. Alright, all the wires are done. I got the new module in. I plugged it into the blower. Moment of truth. Plugging the blower fuse back in. Alright, so that would be our little diagram here. Right there, right? So pop her in. Good sign already. It's not blowing. The key's out. Let's put this back together. Start up, see what happens. Alright. That's good. Get air. Nice. Fix the issue, guys. Also, turn it down now. Off. This one's running yes because it's not separate control. And that also turns off. That is complete. Alright guys, I also wanted to show you that I'm also at 126,000 and that blower module went out. So glad to get it fixed. I'm very happy for the YouTube community and providing me the idea to look underneath there and try that part, and just happened to be that's it. Probably saved, I assume I probably saved an hour of labor, probably 60 to 100 bucks in labor, and who knows how much they would have marked it up just for the part. Still annoying, the part was 140 bucks from GM. They said is when you walk out the door, there's no returns, so I got lucky. But thanks guys. You have a good rest of your day.